The law of limitation in criminal cases fixes a time limit within which a court can take cognizance of certain offences. The purpose is to ensure speedy justice and to prevent stale or delayed cases. The provisions relating to commencement of limitation are contained in the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita, 2023. 2. Meaning of commencement of period of limitation. It means the starting point from which the limitation period begins to run for taking cognizance of an offence by the court. 3. General rule, starting point. The period of limitation generally starts from 1. Date of the offence. Normally, limitation begins on the date when the offence is committed. 4. Exceptions, special situations. The law provides exceptions where the starting point is different. 1. When offence not known. If the offence was not known to the aggrieved person or police, limitation begins from the date when it first becomes known. Example, fraud discovered after several months. 2. When offender not known. If the offence is known but the identity of the offender is unknown, limitation starts from the date when the offender becomes known. 3. Continuing offence. In case of a continuing offence, a fresh limitation period begins at every moment during which the offence continues. Example, illegal occupation or nuisance continuing daily. 5. Purpose of these provisions. Times prevents delay in prosecution. Times ensures fairness to the accused. Times encourages timely reporting of offences. Times avoids misuse of legal process. 6. Important note. The court may, in certain cases, take cognizance even after expiry of limitation if it is satisfied that times the delay is properly explained or times it is necessary in the interest of justice. 7. Conclusion. The rules regarding commencement of limitation ensure balance between the rights of the accused and the need for justice. By clearly defining when the limitation period begins, the law avoids confusion and ensures timely action in criminal cases.